Hello everyone, welcome back to SkillWeb. In this video, I'm going to show you how to block tags on Tumblr. So let's have a look now. Start by logging into your Tumblr account. Make sure you are getting in the account where you want to block specific tags. From your Tumblr dashboard, click on the settings from the left sidebar. In the settings page, scroll down to find the filtering section. This is where you can manage the tags you want to block. Under the filter tags section, you will see an option to add a filtered tag. Click here and this will open a field where you can type the tag you want to block. Type the tag you want to block and press enter on your keyboard. The tag will be added to your list of block tags. So that's it. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you found this video helpful, give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos. This video is sponsored by Xirosft. Xirosft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosft today. For more details, check the description box.